Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. Let's see if we can continue what we did last week and get some good results. Got some downside movement. We are in the range. So I'll be looking for some type of break to the downside, or we might just, with this big move down pre-market, we could be bouncing to the upside. So watch out for that. But yeah, y'all know what it is, man. Just basics, in and out, nothing crazy. Quadruple witching is this week also, so watch out for that. I may or may not trade Thursday or Friday. So, all right, got a nice little breakout. All right, going for a break and retest, guys. See what we can do with Apex this morning. All right, Apex locked in, man. And we also still have that momentum to the downside. So, momentum, I'm guessing. Oh, by the way, I did request $1,000 payout from my Top Step account. So, my Top Step accounts are fully paid for. We're basically risk free on the Top Step accounts now. So, that's good news. All right, just letting y'all know. Momentum pullback. That's what I'm going for. Still just breaking to the downside. Big 5-minute candle, big 15-minute candle. We got all the confirmation we need. VIX at 17. Check out this daily chart. Daily chart broke down. Monthly chart in the range. Weekly chart in the range. Daily's breaking down. 4 hours breaking down. 15 minutes, 5 minutes breaking down. 3 minutes breaking down. 1 minute breaking down. That's a big bar, man. That's 11,000 traded. Almost at 200 subscribers. 180 subscribers, guys. Made a lot of progress in 2.5 months, man. Knocking on 200. All right, we're filled. Let's see what we can do with Top Step, man. See if we can get us another one. Oh man, I thought I was gonna go that time. Damn. They've been a quick little easy in and out. Starting to kind of flip red here. Break that low for me, please. That's what you're gonna do? That's what we're doing today? Come on. She does not want to drop. There we go. 2 for 2, baby. Good start of the Monday, man. The Mondays are the roughest for me because it's like I like to have a good Monday, but we had a good Monday, guys. I hope some of you caught some of that. Man, don't you love that EMA, man? I know y'all love that EMA, man. If y'all like that EMA, man, drop a like, man. I know y'all love that 12 EMA. I know it. I know y'all been making money on that EMA, man. You didn't like the setup because I explained it? Yeah. So look at the 15-minute and look at the 5-minute before you do anything. Opened up pre-market today, clearly heading down, but we weren't in the range, right? So since we're in the range, that's why I said I'm looking for the break and retest. Look at the 5-minute, you can see we're in the range. So we only trade the 3-minute and the 1-minute. 3-minute, I said we're looking for a break and retest. 1-minute, I said we're looking for a break and retest. And we got our break, we got our retest. All right, cool. Now we have momentum in the market. Look at the 15-minute. This is a big momentum bar, big engulfing bar right here. Look at the 5-minute. We got a big engulfing momentum bar right here. You look at the 3-minute. 2 big engulfing bars. So there's momentum in the market. We can sit here and look and see that there's momentum in the market. The only thing that I'm betting on is that we pull back, 1 bar pullback, 2 bar pullback. I'm just betting on that we hit this moving average and we pull back again before we head back up, if we head back up. So you don't necessarily need the moving average to play this, but this 12 EMA is basically saying, hey, on a 2 bar, 3 bar pullback, whatever you want to call it, there's a good chance moving average hits and we pull right back again. And that's all I'm taking advantage of. Taking advantage of that momentum. That's all. That's it. So I'm just betting that this continues 20 points to the downside off of this moving average. That's it. Yeah, so that's all we're doing is just betting on continuation of what's already happened. You know what I mean? That's why we can sit back, relax, and say, okay, we're waiting for a pullback. Boom. Same thing. Once we break down, just like the break and retest, the break and retest is the same thing. Once we break down, we're betting on a continuation of that breakdown. That's all we're doing. Let's say I delete the moving average. All right. Then what? You have no way to really measure, when the pullback might happen. So like somebody has said in chat, you could use Fibonacci, which if you watched my earlier streams, you would have realized I did use Fibonacci retracements. So you could have bought the 61.8, you could have bought the 50% or sold the 50%. You feel me? You could have used any one of these methods, but I like the moving average because it's automatic. You know what I mean? Yeah, the fibs are cool. You just, you have to know how to set them on your chart, and it's kind of like, it's kind of subjective if you ask me. That's why, like I said, I like using the average. You can do a lot with moving averages, guys, especially when it comes to scalping. I mean, it's just the average. Everybody uses averages. Institutions use averages. Quants use averages. People say they don't use indicators. Those guys use indicators. Trust me. Those guys are using Keltner channels, ATR ranges. They're basing their whole programs off of those things because they know everybody else is looking at them. That's another thing too about moving averages. Everybody else is looking at these averages, guys. The 8, 21, 50, 200, 100. Everybody was looking at those moving averages. So it's kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy at the same time. You can clearly see that momentum. It's all in the bars too, guys. You gotta look at the bars. The bars tell me what kind of setup I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for a break and retest, it's because I'm in the range. You know what I mean? If I'm looking for momentum, it's because I seen this right here. So y'all know what I'm looking at when I say those things. But yeah, guys, I mean, pretty good morning. 15 minutes to the day. Hell, we were done like when? We were done, yeah, like, bro, we were done 5 minutes to the day. Get the fuck out of here. I don't believe that. Hold up. Bro, we were done 8 minutes into the day. Are you serious? That has to be a record, man. That has to be a record, I'm telling you. I mean, for me personally, that has to be a record. But man, 8 minutes into the day, we're already, that's wild. Yeah, that's wild right there, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's the best Monday you can ask for right there. We got 2 weeks left in this month. Hopefully we can kill it on Apex, man. Get that big fat payout. And hopefully, man, we hear something from Fast Track, man. I'm really just waiting for that Trader Bait Ninja Trader to come out. So looks like we're breaking back up. Got the infamous V bottom going on. Longs get clobbered, shorts get clobbered. And I was kind of sort of reading this right here. Like once we started to kind of hold up right here, I already knew that we were gonna head back up. Usually we bounce and then pull right back to the lows and then bounce again and kind of consolidate. But this time we kind of bounced, consolidated, and we just really just eked out that little 20 points. You know what I'm saying? Then it headed back up. So that's how it goes, man. If you go back, I think what was it, Friday? Or yeah, it was Friday. Same thing on Friday. We had a little pullback, little momentum pullback, and went right back up. When it comes to scalping, man, you just want to trade what's there in front of you, not what happened, all the way back here. I'm not saying you can't look at these levels, but what's going on right now in price? 915, 917, yeah. It's about that time, guys. So hope everybody made some money today. Hope everybody learned something. Hope no one went tilt. We had a pretty good Monday, up on all of our accounts. But yeah, guys, I'm out of here, man. Monday Trader. Have a great day, guys. Peace.